We had multiple opportunities to convert. Yes, I agree with you, no shots on target, but I'm very, very upset about it. I did not deserve to lose this game.
Didn't deserve to lose it, and as you rightfully say...
And I didn't deserve to win either.
Exactly.
But you understand, because I didn't do enough.
The overall play, what do you make of it?
Listen, gentlemen. I'm going to have to do what I have to do, because it is very obvious that goal scoring is a problem with me right now.
So what is it that you have to do?
No, you will see. I will be doing what I'll be doing. Have a good day.
All right, then. There you have a very upset Coach Ludlow Bernard. So we'll keep an eye on Arborview the next time they turn out to see what he will do. Coach Davis, yet you walk away with the win. That's the perfect result you wanted, but far from the perfect performance you wanted.
There's no perfect performance, you know, once you win game. All these people say a ugly win better than a railway. From you win the game, you win the game.
So
and I see football like that, you know. There's no perfect football.
But it was scrappy, you feel?
I don't feel like it was scrappy. This game was a nice pace of game, two teams back and forth, you know, and we wanted it more. I think we wanted it more.